Hello YouTube, welcome back to another Git tutorial videos. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to reset author for the most recent commit, and this is going to be for a single commit. So for example, this is the most recent commit, and in here I have got the author dummy user, and this is the email address for this particular author, right? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to change this, and this is the commit hash for this particular commit. Without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, git config and then user, instead of dummy user we're gonna call it test user, and let's jump into this, and we want to change it to email, and this email is going to be testuser@test.com, some dummy one. Okay, that's the first step. Second step we are gonna do to change the metadata for this particular method. So we are going to basically rewrite without changing the commit message, without changing any content that we have actually added for this particular commit. So we're gonna only update the author information, nothing else. So git commit dash amend, you can say dash reset author. Let me actually show it to you in the first place. So this is going to be opening up the editor. I'm not going to change anything. So you can see the author information has been actually updated. So how do we know? So we have to run git log -1. So you can see this time we have got test user. So in this case, the commit hash has actually changed. So if you can see, it did not change the commit message, but the commit hash has been actually changed. So let's see what changes we have actually added in here. So I'm going to say git show. If I do this, I can see I have added one line. Okay, so I'm going to make one more change. So I'm going to run git commit dash amend, and in this case I'm going to say still the same, reset author. And this way you could also do, instead of opening up an editor, you can just say X. If I do this, you can see it's not going to open up an editor. So this time, if I say git log -1, you can see it still remains the same, the test user and then the email address of this particular author. But now what we have to do is basically we need to verify git show and this. So we want to see if the content has been changed or not. You can see the content actually is not changed. We can see the commit hash is not either changed this time. It remains as it is. Okay, I'm gonna say git commit dash amend minus reset author, and this time you can say no edit. This is another way you could do. It means that do not open up the editor of my choice. Without opening up the editor, just do the job for me. So if I enter, you can see it has done the job for me, and you can see still the short SHA of that commit remains the same. If I do a git log -2, you can see this is the commit SHA. It has not been actually changed. If you like this video, smash the subscribe button. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.